Chicken 65. Ingredients: boneless chicken pieces, boneless chicken 500 grams, green chilies, hari mirch 4 slit, curry leaves, curry patta 3 sprigs, curry leaves, curry patta 2 sprigs chopped, garlic lehsun 1 teaspoon chopped, cumin jeera 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder, kali mirch powder 2 teaspoons, turmeric haldi 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder, lal mirch powder 2.5 teaspoons, salt, namak as required, ginger garlic paste, adrak lehsun paste 2 tablespoons, sugar chini 1 teaspoon, corn flour makke ka atta 4 tablespoons, curd dahi 7 tablespoons, all purpose flour maida 2 tablespoons. For the marination, in a large bowl, take 3 tablespoons curd, 1 tablespoon ginger chili paste, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, curry leaves 2 sprigs chopped, and mix well. Put the chicken pieces in the bowl and mix well. After all the pieces get coated, set it aside for 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, add 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons corn flour, and mix well. Add edible red food color. Mix well. Heat oil for deep frying. Check by dropping some batter. Drop the pieces one by one in the hot oil. Fry on medium flame, flipping on all sides. Fry till crisp and golden brown. Remove on an absorbent paper to drain out the excess oil. Fry the remaining chicken pieces in the same manner. Fry 10 to 20 curry leaves in the same hot oil for garnishing. In a bowl, take 4 tablespoons curd, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 10 to 15 curry leaves, and mix well. Add edible red food color and mix well. Heat oil in a kadhai. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and let them crackle. Add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic, 4 slit green chilies. Fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add the curd mixture. Stir till the mixture thickens. Add the fried chicken. Saute for 1 or 2 minutes till all the pieces get coated. Chicken 65 is ready to be served. Garnish with fried curry leaves.